Welcome back. Today we are tackling a classic hard difficulty coding problem, best time to buy and sell stock 3. This is a step up from the easier versions because it introduces a specific constraint that changes how we must approach the solution. Let's look at the requirements. We are given an array of prices where each element represents the stock price on a specific day. Our goal is to maximize profit, but here is the critical constraint. We are allowed to complete at most 2 transactions. A transaction consists of 1 buy and 1 sell. It is important to understand the rules of trading here. You cannot engage in multiple transactions simultaneously. This means you must sell the stock you are holding before you can buy again. You can't just buy twice and then sell twice. The sequence must be buy, sell, then optionally buy and sell again. A brute force approach might try every combination of transaction pairs, but that would be too slow. Since we know we have exactly 2 transactions, we can solve this in a single pass by tracking the state of our wallet. We can break the process down into 4 distinct states: the first buy, the first profit, the second buy, and the second profit. Let's handle the first transaction. This is identical to the basic stock problem. We want to minimize the cost of our first buy. As we iterate through the prices, we simply keep track of the lowest price seen so far. Simultaneously, we calculate the profit if we were to sell at the current price, maximizing that value. Now for the second transaction. This is where it gets interesting. We want to minimize the cost of the second buy, but we can effectively reduce this cost by reinvesting the profit from our first transaction. So, the effective cost of the second stock is the current price minus the profit we made earlier. Then, we maximize the final profit based on this effective cost. Let's trace this with an example. 3503. Initially, costs are infinity and profits are 0. At price 3, we set our first buy cost. At price 5, we see a profit of 2. Then, at price 0, we find a new lowest buy price for transaction 1, but interestingly, our second transaction cost becomes -2 because we subtract our previous profit from the current price. Finally, at price 3, we sell for a total profit of 5. Here is the code implementation. We initialize our buy costs to infinity and profits to 0. We iterate through the price list exactly once. Inside the loop, we update our 4 variables in order. Notice how compact this logic is. It solves a hard problem in just a few lines of code. The time complexity is big O of n because we only iterate through the prices array once. The space complexity is big O of 1, or constant space, because we only use 4 variables to store our state, regardless of how many days of data we have. To summarize, the key to solving this problem efficiently is to treat the 2 transactions as a continuous sequence of states, where the profit from the first transaction subsidizes the cost of the second. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more algorithm explanations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.